Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from NOKIA G11 to an Android device. You need to begin by accessing Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. Now choose Open. And over here, tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other device. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Following that, you need to choose receive on an Android and send on Nokia. Then tap on all of those type of dots on your Nokia device and choose send. This way you can pick all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time to do that now, so I will go with only one photo. Maybe this one. Choose send and click on got it. Over here on an Android, choose no thanks and close this window. After that, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by clicking on this scanning icon on an Android, then selecting while using the app or only this time in the pop-up and pointing our camera at this QR code. But we can always just input this key over here, we have a lot of time to do it, and connect those phones by choosing receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!